Hi guys. Here, I am with the new video. In this video I will tell you the best tips and tricks that how to apply lipstick. So let's get started. There are times when we purchase a really good and costly lipstick, but it does not actually look good on our lips. This often occurs when you do not know the correct tips that how to apply lipstick. It is not only about applying a coating of the lip color on your lips, but there is a lot further to it when it comes getting the picture perfect lippy look. For this, you need to follow the given 10 tips to apply a lipstick so that you get a comprehensive look. Number 1. Apply a primer. Apply a lip primer each time before you apply a lipstick, so that your lips' wrinkles are evened up, and you do not have to get uncomfortable with your cracked lips, which are even more observable after you apply a lipstick. Number 2. Lip balm. A lip balm makes your lips soft. Hence, if you often face complications like dry lips or chapped lips, you should apply a lip balm in advance, applying a lipstick or a lip gloss, so that your lips do not look dry and split. Number 3. Scrub your lips. Use a warm lip scrub to scrub your lips and remove the dead skin covers. Scrub your lips 2 times a week, and do not spoil it, because your lips are really sensitive. Number 4. Apply chapstick at night. To finally get rid of dry lips, apply a non-flavored chapstick every night, so that your lips stay soothed the next day, and become soft and light with time. Number 5. Choose the right lipstick. If you have dry and crumpled lips, you should go for a velvet or cream, non-glossy textured lipstick. Never go for a dry or a powder non-glossy lipstick. In this case, as these are to be used if your lips are saturated enough, and not dry or wrinkled. Number 6. Blemish the lipstick. After you apply a lipstick, especially if it is a creamy lipstick or a gloss, make sure you blemish it a little with a tissue or a tarnishing paper, so that all the extra lipstick is removed, and your lips do not look irregular or too covered. Number 7. Do not rub your lips. It is a common practice to rub your lips against each other after applying a lipstick. It is a really bad thing to do, because it spoils the uniformly applied lipstick. Hence, you should put a full stop to this. This is one of the best 10 tips to apply a lipstick. Number 8. Apply a lip liner. A lip liner makes your lips look sharp. Hence, it is one of the top 10 tips to rock a lipstick. It prohibits you from applying the lipstick out of the border of your lips, making your lips look more shaped and full. Number 9. Highlight your lips. Buy a golden or silver lip highlighting powder or cream, and apply it in small quantities in the middle part of your lips, so that your lips look shining. It is a small touch-up to be done to your lip makeup, but is one of the most incredible 10 tips to apply a lipstick. Number 10. Apply a foundation. If you are applying a lipstick while doing makeup for a distinct occasion, apply some foundation on your lips after applying a primer, so that your lips look full, even, and all the lines and wrinkled lips get covered. These 10 tips to apply lipstick will help you get the best out of the classy lipstick, which you have bought by saving up your money. These tips will also make your lips look stunning all the time. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, then hit the subscribe button, and also press the bell icon for getting updates for our new videos.